Dreamscape Learn helps us to teach chemistry in a way that it's pretty much impossible to do in a traditional lecture sense.
So each week the students go to Dreamscape and then they come to this general chemistry lab and do a hands-on lab that directly connects to the VR experience.
There's nothing like taking a student and putting them in a world where they're like, oh, I am the agent that's supposed to go and fix this problem. Students learn best when they are trying to learn something that they absolutely care about. And right now, in the traditional general chemistry curriculum, that is majorly lacking.
Most science curricula were developed in the 50s and 60s for a very privileged and unique group of students. That's not what ASU serves anymore. Our charter requires that we include everybody.
Science is something that you can understand, and everybody can do science. And I think without that narrative piece that the Dreamscape Learn brings, it's really hard to convince everyone of that idea.
Chemistry has an odd reputation, right? We see it on the news in terms of oil spills or pollution or something like that. And students don't recognize how all the different aspects of society that this touches. And so our goal here is to develop a broad chemistry experience that any students can see themselves in and part of, and to invite them into the chemistry community, in the learning community, in the academic community.
We want the students to gain all the skills that are transferable, like reasoning skills, critical thinking, hands-on learning, so on and so forth, and apply it to a variety of different contexts. I think that if the student wants to move on and become a scientist, that's great. But at the end of the day, we just want everyone to get excited about science.